Thanks so much for hanging out with us tonight. Your new Throwback Thursday theme is cars. We want to hear about your favorite car of all time. Make sure you send us your photos on the Good Day State Line Facebook page to win from Bygone Brand, and maybe you'll be on the show with me next week too. While you're there, don't forget to answer our Fan of the Week question. We'll find out this week's winner tomorrow night at the beginning of the show. Your Good Day calendar task today was to fill your bird feeder, and tomorrow we have a great task for you as well. Drink your favorite wine. We love that. Coming up tomorrow night, we are talking to Nora Tobin about ways to get ready for a wedding by boosting our nutrition. Plus, the Daytona 500 is this weekend. We're getting you ready for that with the perfect tailgating foods or home gating foods. And we're taking you on a road trip for Spirit Day. This week, we are off to Rush Creek Distilling in Harvard for some signature wedding cocktails. Thanks so much for letting us help you make it a good day. We'll talk to you tomorrow night. Bye-bye.